Question number 46, we are given with which one of the following fractions will have minimum change in its value if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator of all fractions. So we are given with these 4 fractions. These are 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, and 5 by 6. Correct? Now let's add 3 to both the numerator and denominator. It will become, the first fraction will become 5 by 6. The second fraction will become 6 by 7. The third fraction will become 7 by 8. 3 by 4, it will become 6 by 7, and this one 7 by 8. Now if I check the last one, it is 8 by 9. Correct? Now we have to first find the change. So change for the first fraction, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3. It would result in 5 minus 4, 1 by 6. For the next fraction, the change is 6 by 7, 3 by 4, 28, 24, 21. That is 3 by 28. The next one is 7 by 8 and 4 by 5. 7 by 8 and 4 by 5. So 40, 35, 32. That is 3 by 40. And the next one is 8 by 9 minus 5 by 6. I can see the LCM will be 18 to 16 minus 15. That is 1 by 18. Now we have to compare all of these values, the change values, to come to the conclusion that which one is the smallest here. That will be the minimum change. So let's compare all these fractions. 341 by 18. So LCM of 6, 28, 40, and 18 will be 2520. Now, to make the denominator 2520, the first fraction will become 420. The next fraction will become 270. The third fraction will become 189, and the fourth fraction will become 140 by 2520. Since denominators are same, seen the numerator, I can see 140 is the smallest. 140 is the smallest. That means 1 by 18 is the minimum change, because that is the smallest fraction. Correct? So 1 by 18 I got for the fraction 5 by 6. Here option D is the correct one, 5 by 6. In question number 47, we are given with, let the average score of a class of boys and girls in an examination be P. The ratio of boys and girls in the class is 3:1. If the average score of the boys is P plus 1, then what is the average score of the girls? So here we are given that the ratio of boys and girls in the class, that is 3:1. So we can assume the number of boys as 3K and number of girls as K, where K is the ratio constant. K is the ratio constant. Okay. So number of boys and number of girls. So total students in that class, that will be 3K plus K. So that is 4K. Okay. Now the total score of the class will be what? Since we are given with average P, average of score, that is P, that can find, that is P, correct? So I can write total score of that class is total number of students multiplied by average score. So 4KP of that class. And also total score of the boys, average score of the boys, average score of boys, that is given as P plus 1, right? Uh, let us assume, let us assume average score of girls be X. Okay, girls be X. So the total score of the boys and the total score of the girls all together, it will give us the total score of the class, that is 4KP, right? So according to the problem, we can write 4KP equals to P plus 1 multiplied by number of boys, that is 3K, plus X multiplied by number of girls, that is K. So here Kx. Now let's solve it. We will find the value 4KP, 3KP plus 3K plus Kx. So we will get here KP, 3K plus Kx. From both the sides, all K will got cancelled. We will only left with P3 plus X. That means X equals to P minus 3. So the number of girls, okay, so the number of girls is K, and the average score for girls, that is X, that is P minus 3. So here option C is the correct answer, P minus 3. In question number 48, we are given with a question: the incomes of A, B, and C are in the ratio 7:9:12, and their expenditures are in the ratio 8:9:15. If A saving is 1/4 of his income, then the ratio of savings of A, B, and C is, so we are given with two different ratios, correct? So ratio of incomes of A is to B is to C, we can write that is 7:9:12, and the ratio of spending of A, B, and C, that is 8:9:15. So we can assume the incomes of ABC as incomes of A, B, and C as 7x, 9x, and 12x, where x is the ratio constant. Okay, next we can also assume the spending of A, B, and C as 8y, 9y, and 15y, whereas y is the ratio constant in this case. Okay, next, so how can we get savings? Savings is the difference between incomes and spending. So savings of A, I can write 7x minus 8y, that is also equal to the 1/4 of his income, that is 1/4, 7x. Now further I can write for 8y. So if I further calculate it, I will get 21x, 32y. So from here, the ratio of x and y, that is 32:21. So I can say x equals to 32k and y equals to 21k, where k is the ratio constant in this case. Correct? Now let's find the savings for all of them. So here I can write savings of A, that is 7x minus 8y, correct? So 732k, 821k. Savings of B, that becomes 9 multiplied by 32k minus 9x, and also it is both are 9:9. Okay, so I can write it as 9 multiplied by 20k, and savings of C, that is 12x minus 15y. So let's find the value for all of them. It will become 56k. It will become 9. So also 9, or it is 1. Okay, 11. So 99k, and it will give us the value 69k. 21k is here. So after taking common, we will get 69k, correct? Now, therefore, ratio of savings of A, B, and C, that is 56k, 99k, and 69k. So it would result in 56 is to 99 is to 69. Here option A is the correct answer. Okay. In question number 49, we are given with a train 200-meter long passes a platform 100-meter long in 10 seconds. What is the speed of the train? So speed of the train, how can we find that? First of all, the formula for finding speed, that is distance by time, correct? So here distance is when it is crossing a platform, the train is traveling the distance of its length plus the length of the platform. So that means 200 plus 100 by 10 seconds. So it will be meter per second, the unit of the speed, that is 300 by 10. So 30 meter per second. Here option B is the correct answer. In question number 50, we are given with if 1 by 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 4 dot 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 plus up to 1 by n multiplied by n plus 1 equals to 99 by 100, then what is the value of n? So first let me the given expression 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 4 plus dot 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 n multiplied by n plus 1 equals to 99 by 100. Now the one that is given in the numerator, I can write it as 2 minus 1 by multiplied by 2, 3 minus 2 by 2 multiplied by 3, 4 minus 3 by 3 multiplied by 4 plus dot 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 n plus 1 minus n by n multiplied by n plus 1 equals to 99 by 100. Further, I can distribute the division. It will be 1 minus half plus half minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 and plus dot 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 up to it will continue till 1 by 9 minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, equals to 99 by 100. As we can see, both half, 1/3, 1 by 4, they will got cancelled, and we will only left with 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 equals to 99 by 100. So I can write n plus 1 100 n 99n plus 99. That means n equals to 99. The value of n equals to 99. Option B is the correct answer. In question number 51, we are given with consider the following data, the table with regard to production of cars in lakhs. Okay, so it's like for country A in the year 2015, it's 35 lakh. And in the year 2016, it is 38 lakh this way. In which of the countries the production of cars has increased by more than or equal to 5% in 2016 over 2015? So we have to check for all the data. Let's create a table first. Country A, for 2015, the production of cars that was 35 lakh. So on 2015, it was 35 lakh. Now for 2016, it becomes 38 lakh. So change is 38 minus 35, that is 3 lakhs. Now if I find the percentage, change percentage, so that is change by initial value multiplied by 100, that will give me the value 8.57%. Okay, next let's check for country B in this table. Country B, the production of the cars, that is 45 in 2015, 47 in 2016. So the change 47 minus 45, that is 2. So the change percentage is 2 by 45 multiplied by 100. It would result in 4.44%. Okay, let me separate them so that we can identify it later clearly. Now let's move towards the country C. In 2015, the production was 88 lakh. In 2016, the production was 93 lakh. So the change is 5, and the change percentage, that is 5.68%. For the next country, that is country D, the production of the cars in 2015, that is 75 lakh. For 2016, it is 79 lakh. So the change is 2 lakhs. So 2 by 75 multiplied by 100 would result in 5.33%. And the last one for country E, 58 lakh in 2015, 60.9. So 60 lakh 9, 60.9. This is for 2016, and the changes. So here 2.9. So the change percentage 2.9 by 15 multiplied by 100, that is exactly 5%. Now the condition was given has increased by more than or equal to 5%. So for country A, I can see country C, country D, and country E. Only country B doesn't fall into this list. So A, D, E, A, C, D, E. Option C is the correct answer. For which countries the production of cars has increased by more than or equal to 5%, that is country A, C, D, E. In question number 52, we are given with, okay, so this table shows the marks of 90 students in a test of 80 marks. The total number is 80 marks. And the first question is the percentage of students who have obtained less than or equal to 50%. Now first compute that 50% marks of total marks, that is how much? So 50% of 80, that is obviously 40 marks. Now we have to check how many students are there who scored less than or equal to 40. So from 1 to 2, there are 5 students scored. 11 to 20, there are 8 students scored. 21 to 30, there are 10 students, and scored 31 to 40, there are 13 students. So we will count all of them. They all fall into this bracket. So here, total number of students who have obtained less than or equal to 40 marks, those are 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 13. So 10 plus 13, so it would result in 13, 13, 26, 36. Total students 90. Total students, that is 90. Okay, so the percentage of students, therefore required percentage that is 36 by 90 multiplied by 100. 40%. 40% of total student scored less than or equal to 50%. Here option B is the correct answer. In question number 53, we are given with what is the median of the following data? 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 6, 8, 9. So after arranging them in ascending order, we can write -1, 2, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 terms, correct? There are 7 terms. So we can say n equals to 7, which is odd. How to find the median for the odd number of terms? The formula is for finding the median for odd number of observations, that is n plus 1 by tooth term. Okay, so here n equals to 7, 7 plus 1 by tooth term, that is fourth term. So what is the fourth term here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is the fourth term. So median for this data, that is 3. Here option B is the correct answer. In question number 54, I'm given with what is the arithmetic mean of the first 10 composite numbers? So first 10 composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 18. Let's find the mean of them. There are 10 observations, correct? So sum of all the observations by number of observation. That is the formula. Sum of all the observations by total number of observation. So we can write plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15, 16, 18 by 10. So it would result in 10, 20, 20, 40, 30, 70, 79. So 112 by 12, 33, 70, yes, 100. So it will be 11.2. The answer is median is, okay, arithmetic mean, not median. Arithmetic mean is D, 11.2. Option D is the correct answer. In question number 55, we are given with the marks obtained by 5 students are 21, 27, 19, 26, 32. Later on, 5 grace marks are added to each student. What are the average marks on the revised marks to the students? So, average, first of all, average marks of the students, that is 21 by 27, 21 plus 27 plus 19 plus 26 plus 32 by 5, it would give us result that is 25. Now, if for all of them 5 grace marks are added, so all the numbers will be increased by 5, right? After adding 5 grace marks to each student, the revised average marks is, the average will be increased by 5 marks, so it is 30. If I show you how, I can show you, look, all the numbers will be increased by 5, correct? So the average will be increased by 5 as well, so that is 30. Option B is the correct answer here. In question number 56, we are given with, let P be the mean of M observations and Q be the mean of N observations, where P less than equals to Q, if the combined mean of M plus N observations is C, then which of the following is correct? So let me first note it down, all the given informations, that is mean of M observations, that is P. So sum of M observations, it will be MP, correct? Same way, mean of N observations, that is Q. Same we can find out, similarly we can find out sum of N observations, that is NQ, okay? Therefore, sum of M plus N observations, that is M, sum of M plus N observation, that is MP and NQ, correct? But here given, that is the combined mean of M plus N observation, that is C. So we can write, therefore, mean of M plus N observations, MP plus NQ, that is sum of total number of observations by, I mean, by total observations by total number of observations, that is M plus N equals to C, correct? Now we can further simplify it, MP plus NQ, M plus N equals to C. If we further simplify it with this way, let's say MP plus NQ, okay, plus NP minus NP plus NQ. I balance it by adding NP and subtracting NP at the same time. So further I can write, after taking P common, M plus N minus, after taking N common, Q minus P, because it is already given that Q is greater than P, okay, by M plus N equals to C. Now let's distribute the division. I will get P plus N q minus p by m plus n, okay, equals to c. Now this n into q minus p by m plus n, this whole expression I can assume as k. So it will looks like, let's say, p plus k1 equals to c. So after adding something with p, we are getting c. That means c is obviously greater than p. K1 can be 0 also. So p is greater less than equals to c. Same way we can further calculate it. Let me write it again. In q, m plus n equals to c. This time m p plus mq minus mq plus nq by m plus n equals to c. So here we can write that q, so m p minus mq plus q into m plus n by m plus n equals to c. Or after distributing, we will get minus m q minus p by m plus n equals to c. So let's assume it as k2, this one. So we can write q minus k2 equals to c. After subtracting something, after subtracting a number, we from q we are getting c. That means obviously c is less than equal to q. So q is greater than equals to c. So from this two, let's name it equation number 1. Let's name it equation number 2. From 1 and 2, I can write p less than equals to c less than equals to q. Okay, where q greater than equals to p, so also I can say q minus p greater than equals to 0. Therefore k1 and k2, they both are integer. Okay, they both are positive integers. So from here I can see p less than equals to c less than equals to q. Option c is the correct answer. In question number 57, we are given with the data of different types of multivitamin tablets produced in a company. Okay, these all values are in lakhs. 160 lakhs, 80 lakhs, 35 lakhs, this way. Okay, so we are given data for over the year 2000, sorry, starting from 2000 to 2005. Now the first question that arises here: which product is produced list over the years of 2000 to 2005? So we have to check the total production of each type of tablet in this company for over the years 2000 to 2005. Okay, so let's check total production of each tablet over years, that is 2000 to 2005. Let's start with type 1. So the productions are 160, 20, 130, 160, 200, 135, 240, 180, and 210. So let me find the sum of all of them. 35, 240, 180, 210. I will be getting 1125. Okay. Next, let's check for type 2. So the numbers are 80, 150, 35, 95, 110, 150. So let's find the sum of all of them. That is 80, 35, 110, 150. So all total will be getting 620. Next, type 3. That is 70, 85, 44, 120, 85, 100. So 70, 85, 44, 120, 85, 100. All total will be getting 504. Next, check for type 4. 90, 160, 95, 80, 95, 92. Okay, add all of them. 90, 160, 95, again 95, 92. So I'll be getting 612. And the last one is type 5. That is 75, 185, 120, 115, and 110. So let's add them. 75, 185, 120, 115, 110. That is 605. Now you can easily find out that which product is produced list over this years, whose values is list. That is type 3, 504 only. So here option B is the correct answer, type 3. In question number 58, that is the continuation of the previous question. We are given with the same data, but here the respective question is, in which one of the following pairs of years the difference in total number of tablets produced between them is minimum. So the difference in total number of tablets. So first of all, I will find the difference for only 2000, for the year 2000, for the year 2001, for the year 2002, for the year 2003, for the year 2004, and for the year 2005. First, for each year, total number of tablet produced I will find. Then I will check the difference of the years mentioned here, like the difference between 2003 and 2005, like this way for all the given four options, and then we will compare which one is the minimum. That will be the answer here. Okay, so total number of tablets produced each year, that is for 2000, let's check the value, 160, 75, the value is 475. For 2001, the total number of produced tablets, 695. For 2002, the total number of produced shock tablets, 84, 95, 85, that is 394. Next, 2003, 120, 80, 120, that is 655. 2004, 180, 110, 85, 95, 115, 585, and 2005, 210, 150, 662. These are the total number of tablets produced each year. Okay, now we will start checking the difference between two mentioned year, that is first 2003 and 2005. So that is 655, 662. So the difference is 7. For the next option, 2001 and 2005. For 2001, the production 695. So 690 662, that is 33. Next, 2003, 2004. 2003, 2004, the difference is 655 and 585, almost 70. And the next one, 2000, 2002. So 2000, 2002, that is 394 and 475. 394, that is 81. So the minimum difference we can see here, that is for 2003 and 2005. Option A is the correct answer here. In question number 59, we are given with the same question, that is the continuation of the previous one. Here the question is the ratio of percentage drop in total production in 2004 compared to 2001 to that in 2000 compared to 2001 is, okay, so first of all, let's find the percentage drop in total production in 2004 compared to 2001. So here, for that purpose, let's see total production in 2004, that is 180. Let's find the total. 85, 95, 115, the value is 585. Total production in 2001, that is 200, 150, 85, 160 plus 100, so it will be 695. Also total production in 2000, 160, 80, 70, 90 and 75, that is 475. Okay, 475. We have got all the total production in this years. Now percentage drop in total production in 2004 compared to 2001, that is the change 695 minus 585 by the original value, that is percentage drop in 2004. So 595 multiplied by 100%. So it will be 110 by 595 multiplied by 100%. And also percentage drop in total production in 2000 compared to please make one correction here. It will be 695, not 595. Okay, because the percentage, okay, the total production was 2001 was 695. Here we are checking that how much percentage drop compared to 2001. So we will be checking with respect to the value for 2001, that is 695. Please make the correction. It is 695, not 595. Okay, so percentage drop in total production in 2000 compared to 2001, again that is 695 minus 475 by 695 multiplied by 100%. Okay, so it will result in 220 by 695 multiplied by 100%. Okay, so here we are required to find the ratio of percentage drop. So therefore required ratio, that is 110 by 695 100 by 22, that is 1:2. Here 1:2 is the correct answer. Further I can write it as half also, because in the options it is given in the fraction, so that is half. This is 1:2 or 1/2. Option C is the correct answer. In question number 60, we are given with, this is all again the continuation of the previous one. So here we can solve it. That is, in which year the production of type 1 is more than the sum of the production of type 3 and type 4. We will check all the years individually. For 2000, what is there in production in type 1? That is 160. But the sum of the production of type 3 and 4, that is 70 plus 90. So that is 70 plus 90, 160. So it's equal, not more than. For 2001, the production of type 1 is 200, but the sum of production type 3 and 4, that is 5, 4, 2, 245, that is less also. For 2002, it is 135, and the sum of production type 3 and 4, 9, 3. Okay, that is again less. For 2003, it is 240, and this is 200. Okay, so here we can see 240 is great, more than the sum of the production of type 3 and type 4. So answer will be 2003. Option C is the correct answer here. In question number 61, we are given with the sides of a right angle triangle are in the ratio x is to x minus 1 is to x minus 18. What is the perimeter of the triangle? If I draw a right angle triangle, let's say the sides are A, B, C. Okay, here angle B is the right angle. So it will satisfy Pythagoras theorem. That is, that states that a square plus b square equals to c square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now, further, look, so here we are given with a ratio of the side x is to x minus 1 is to x minus 18. So we can assume the sides are xk, x minus 1k, and x minus 18k, where k is the ratio constant. Okay, so this, the length of sides, they will also satisfy Pythagoras theorem. So further I can write xk whole square, x minus 1k whole square, and here also x minus 18k whole square. How I have written x? Because in right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the largest side. So we can see 1 has been subtracted from x, also 18 is been subtracted from x. So obviously x is the largest one here. Okay, so now I can cancel out all the k from both the sides. So it will be x square, x minus 1 whole square, x minus 18. It is x minus 18 whole square. Now let's expand it. We will get x square plus 1, x square minus 36x plus 324. Now I can see 1x will got cancelled from here. So we'll be given with x square minus 38x. Okay. Also plus 325 equals to 0. So we have to factorize this. If we factorize, we'll get to see 13 and 25 will give us 325. Also the sum of them, that is 38. So 13x minus 25x plus 325 equals to 0. So x minus 13 minus 25, x minus 13 equals to 0. X minus 25 either x equals to 13 or x equals to 25. But if we subtract from 13 18, we will get a negative value -5. So that is not possible for a length of a side. So we will take x equals to 25. So the sides are 25. Ratios will be 24 and 7. This is the ratios. So now the perimeter 25, 24 plus 7. So that is 31 and 56 units. We know how to find the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all the sides. That's what we have done here. 25 plus 24 plus 7, 56 units. Option C is the correct answer here. In question number 62, we are given with, if ABC is a triangle, right angle at B, let M and N be 2 points on AB such that AM equals to MN equals to NB. So these 3 parts are equal. Let P and Q are 2 points on AC such that PM parallel to QN and QN parallel to BC. Okay, if BC 12 centimeter, then what is the value of PM plus QN equal to? So we can say, since these 3 are equal, so we can assume it as x unit, all of them. Okay, now consider triangle AMP and triangle ABC. This two triangle AMP and ABC. Okay, these two are similar triangles. AMP similar with triangle ABC. Why? Look, first of all, as triangle AMP and triangle ABC both are 90-degree, and also MP parallel to BC. So that means these two are corresponding angle. Okay, so AA criteria, according to AA criteria, we can say AM by AB equals to MP by BC. Okay, so from here AMX AB will be how much? X plus x plus x, that is 3x. So 3x equals to MP by 12. So we will get MP 4 unit or centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay, similarly for triangle ANQ and triangle ABC, this one, triangle ANQ and triangle ABC, also they are similar triangle. ANQ also similar with triangle ABC, as angle ANQ equals to angle ABC because 90-degree, and also NQ parallel to BC. So again, these two angles will be corresponding angles. These two angles will be corresponding angles. So angle AA criteria, they are similar triangle. Okay, so therefore I can write AN by AB equals to NQ by BC. So that means AN, which is 2x by 3x, NQ by 12. So from here we can find the value of NQ, that is 8 centimeter. Therefore, the sum of PM and QN 4 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, which is 12 centimeter. Okay, which is 12 centimeter. Option C is the correct answer here. In question number 63, we are given with AB and CD are the diameters of a circle which intersects at P, join AC, CB, BD and DA. Okay, I have already drawn the figure. If PAD 60 degree, then what is the value of BPD, angle BPD equal to? So here we know that the intersecting points of diameter of circle intersects at center of circle. So here also we know that the angle made by a chord, if we consider here BD is the chord. Okay, so BD produced an angle on the circumference at the point A, that is BAD, which is 60 degree. Also same arc BD produced another angle at the center P, which is BPD. So we know that angle made by a chord which is BD here. Also we can say the arc BD chord on center is 2 times to the angle made on its circumference. Okay, so here angle chord BD made an angle on the circumference, that is BAD. Okay, so which is, and also BD chord makes an angle at the center, that is BPD. So BPD is twice of BAD. So we can easily find the value for BPD. Also BAD equals to PAD. They both are same angle. So 2 into 60 degree, that is 120 degree. So here option D is the correct answer, 120 degree. In question number 64, we are given with an equilateral triangle ABC and a scalar triangle DBC are inscribed in a circle on same side of the arc. What is angle BDC equal to? So the concepts we are going to use here, I have already drawn the diagram here, given that triangle ABC is equilateral. Okay, and also in circle there are few concepts you already know, that is in circle the concepts you have already learned, those are the angles subtended by an arc on the circumference on the same side of the arc. Here BC is the arc, are equal. What does it mean? Like all the angles that subtended by a particular arc on the circumference on the same side of the arc, that is equal. So here BC is the arc, and we can see on the point A, BAC an angle on the circumference, and on the point D, BDC another angle on the circumference subtended by the same arc, that is BC. So eventually they will be equal. Okay, and also So angle BAC and angle BDC are subtended on the same side by the arc BC. Therefore, these two are equal. Okay, these two angles are equal. Now, we know that all the angles of the equilateral triangle are equal, and that is 60 degree. All the angles measured equally, same, that is 60 degree. So we can say BAC 60 degree here. Okay, so let's name it 1. From 1 we can write, therefore BAC, angle BAC equals to angle BDC equals to 60 degree. So here BDC 60 degree, option C is the correct answer here. In question number 65, we are given with the sides of a triangle ABC are 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. With the vertices of the triangle as centers, 3 circles are drawn, each touching the other two externally. What is the sum of the radius of the 3 circles? So I have already drawn the picture here. ABC is the triangle, are having sides 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. Let the sides AB, AC, and BC of a triangle ABC are 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. As we can see that the triangles that's been drawn with the center of the vertices, they are touching each other externally at LM in position. Let the touching point of the circles, points of the circles are L, M, in such that AN equals to AL, because these two are the radius of the same circle. Also CN equals to CM. These two are the radius of the same circle, and BL equals to BM, radius of the same circle. Now let AN a centimeter. Okay, since AC is 6 centimeters, therefore we can write CN as 6 minus a centimeter. Okay, same way we can write BM and BL. So here CN equals to CM. Also, BC equals to 8 centimeter. Now BC means BM plus CM, correct? So we know from here CM equals to CN. So CM is also 6 minus a centimeter. So I can find easily, that is BM equals to 8 minus 6 minus a, that is 2 minus 2 plus a centimeter, that is BM. Okay, same way we can find AB, which is 4 centimeter. We know the value for AN, AN, that is A centimeter, which is equal to AL as well. So now I can write for AB, AL plus BL. AL plus BL will give us AB, which is 4 centimeter. Now BL, that is 4 minus A. Okay, so BL is 4 minus A, which is equal to BM as well. So from here, I can see BL equals to BM. Therefore, BL equals to BM, since BL equals to BM, therefore 2 plus A equals to 4 minus A. So that is 2A, 2A equals to 1 centimeter. So I got it here. The value of A, that is 1 centimeter. So sum of all the radius, sum of the radius of the circles, that is AN plus BM plus CL, those are ANA 1 plus BM 3, okay, plus CL, okay, it will be not CL, CN. I can see CM or CN. So let's write CN. So Cn is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 9 centimeter, that is the sum of the radius of all the circles. So here option C is the correct answer. Sum of the radius of 3 circles, 9 centimeter. In question number 66, it states that let PAB be a secant to a circle intersecting the circle at A and B. Let PT be the tangent segment if PA equals to 9 centimeter and PT equals to 12 centimeter. Then what is AB equal to? I have already drawn the figure, but first I want to discuss few terms. One is secant. Secant of a circle. What is secant? A straight line that intersects a circle in 2 points. That is called seconds of a circle. So here we can see this straight line PA. It intersects the circle in 2 points, A at the point A and at the point B. Okay, so PA here is the second. Okay, now also what is the second tangent theorem? Tangent secant theorem. Okay, so that is if a tangent segment and a secant are drawn to a circle from an exterior point, as we can see from the point P, that is exterior point, PT the tangent has drawn and PA the secant has drawn, then the square of the measure of the tangent is equal to the product of the second segments. So here what I have meant by this, that is PT is the tangent. So the square of PT equals to product of PA and PB. These are second segments. So therefore PT square equals to PA multiplied by PB. Correct? We are given with the value of PT here and PA here. So 12 whole square, 9 multiplied by PB. I can easily find the value of PB. 4, that is 16. So here PB equals to 16 centimeter. So now what is the value for AB? PB is 16 and PA is 9. So according to the question, I should write it like this way. This is PB and this one is PA, because I can see PB is longer than PA, correct? So therefore AB is PB minus PA. 16 minus 9, that is 7 centimeter. So the length of AB, that is 7 centimeter. Here option C is the correct answer. In question number 67, we are given with, if the perimeter of a right angle triangle is 30 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, then what is the area of the triangle? So I have already drawn one right angle triangle. Here the hypotenuse is 13 and let's say the base is B centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter. Okay, let the base be centimeter and height, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, so by Pythagoras, I can write 8 square plus B square equals to 13 square. Let's name it equation number 1. Also, we are given that the perimeter is 30 centimeter. So the sum of the height and the base, that will be 17. Let's name it equation number 2. With help of this 1 and 2, we will find the value of BH. So B plus H whole square, that will be 17 whole square. Here B square plus H square, A square plus 2BH. So BH, the value of BH will be 289 minus this 169 by 2. So 60. And we know area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. So half into 60 centimeter square, that will result in 30 centimeter square. Okay, so here option C is the correct answer, 30 centimeter square. In question number 68, we are given with ABC is a triangle right angled at C. Let P be the length of the perpendicular drawn from C on AB. If BC is 6 centimeter and AC is 8 centimeter, then what is the value of P? So by Pythagoras theorem, I can find the value for AB. Root under 6 square plus 8 square, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, now here how to find the area of the triangle? There are two ways. Area of the triangle. Either if I consider AC the height, so that will be half into AC into base BC. Okay. Or if I consider this perpendicular as the height CR, so half into CR, then that the base will be AB. AB. So half 8 into 6, that is 24 centimeter square. Also, here half into P into 10 centimeter square, that is 5P centimeter square. Now both are same. Therefore, I can write 5P equals to 24. So P 4.8. Value of P 4.8 centimeter. Here option C is the correct answer. In question number 69, we are given with ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. I have already drawn the figure, and 2AB equals to 3DC. The diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. What is the ratio of the area of AOB to that triangle AOB to that triangle DOC? So here already given AB parallel to DC, correct? Also AOB equals to COD. They are equal because vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. And ABO this one ABO also equals to BDC. So that is alternate angle. Okay. Same way we can write BAO equals to ACD. ACD, they are also alternate angles. So from AAA criteria, triangle AOB congruence with, okay, so no, we are not going to provide congruence. We'll doing similarity. They are not congruent triangle, they are similar triangle. Please make the correction. So these two are equal angles. So triangle AOB similar with triangle DOC based on AA criteria. Okay, based on AA criteria, these two triangles are similar. Now we know the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. This is the theorem concept we are going to use here. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Since these two triangles are similar, so we can write the ratio of their area is the square of the corresponding side, ratio of the corresponding side, that is AB by CD whole square. So we are already given 2AB equals to 3DC. That means AB by DC 3 by 2. Okay. So therefore 3 by 2 whole square, that is 9 by 4. 9 by 4. So here Option D is the correct answer. What is the ratio of the area AOB to triangle DOC? That is 9:4. Option D is the correct answer. In question number 70, we are given with a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. If AB equals to 9 centimeter and BC equals to 8 centimeter and CD equals to 12 centimeter, then what is DA equal to? I have already drawn the figure, but I can write that let the circle touches the sides AB, BC, CD, DA at the point, let's say N, O, P, and M at these points respectively. Since the lengths of the tangents, drawn from an external point are equal. Look here, from AM, AN, these two tangents are drawn. Therefore, AM equals to AN. Okay. And from B, BN, BO, BN, BO, from C, CO, CP, and from D, DM, DP. These are the tangents to the circle. Now, adding all of them, we can get AM plus DM plus AMDM here, BN plus okay, so with BN I can write, let's write BO and CO here, AN, BN, CP and DP. So we'll get AD, BC, AB and CD. Correct. We are given with all the lengths here. AB 9 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter and CD 12 centimeter. We can easily put all the values. AB 9 and 12. 21 minus 8, that is 13 centimeter. So here the length of AD 13 centimeter. Option B is the correct answer. In question number 71, we are given with a cone and a hemisphere have equal bases and equal volumes. What is the ratio of the height of the cone to the radius of this hemisphere? So I have already drawn a cone and a hemisphere. Let the height and radius of cone be H unit and R unit. Okay. Now, since their base are same, bases of cone and hemisphere are equal, then radius of hemisphere be R. Since their bases are same, so the radius of both cone and hemisphere will be R. Okay, both of the radius will be same. And we also know volume of cone, that is 1/3 pi R square H, and volume of hemisphere, that is 2/3 pi r cube. Since volumes are equal, it is given volumes are equal. So according to problem, we can write 1/3 pi r square h, 2/3 pi r cube. Both 3 will got cancelled, pi will got cancelled. Here r, okay, first of all, h by r, that is 2 by 1. We are asked to find the ratio of the height to the cone to the radius of the hemisphere. Yes, the ratio of height to the radius, that is 2:1. So here the answer is 2:1. Option B is the correct answer here. In question number 72, we are given with a solid sphere of diameter 60 millimeter is melted to stretch into a ware of length 144 centimeter. What is the diameter of the ware? So this is the ware. Ware is of cylindrical, correct? Okay, so here we are given that the diameter of the sphere is 60 millimeter, correct? So radius of sphere, that will be 60 by 2 millimeter, that is 30 millimeter. Next, what is the volume of sphere? The formula is 4/3 pi r cube, and since the ware is of cylindrical shape, so volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Now when the sphere is melted and recasted into a cylindrical ware, that means the volume of sphere is equal to the volume of cylinder, correct? So volume of sphere equals to volume of ware. So let's find it here. 4/3 pi r cube, 30 whole cube, and volume of ware pi r square h. So here we are given of length 144 centimeter. So 144 centimeter, when we convert it into millimeter, it will be 1440 millimeter. So pi r square 1440 millimeter. Now let's solve this. Pi. So here we will get 30 by 3, 1440. It is equals to r square. So we can find it. So 3 and 3, 12, 6 to 18 to 15, 3, 6, 3, 10 to 3 to 5, 5. So we are given with r square, that is 5 multiplied by 5. So r is 5 millimeter. So I can write 5, r equals to 0.5 centimeter after converting it from millimeter to centimeter. So the radius is 0.5 centimeter. Therefore, diameter of ware, that is 1 centimeter. We are asked to find the diameter of the ware, that is 1 centimeter. Option B is the correct answer here. In question number 73, we are given with the ratio of the radius of base to the height of a cylinder, that is 2:3. I have already drawn a cylinder. So since the ratio of radius and height, that is given 2:3, so I can write radius as 2x and height as 3x, where x equals to ratio constant. If the volume of the cylinder is 1617 centimeter cube, then what is the curved surface area of the cylinder? Take pi equals to 22/7. So volume of the cylinder, the formula is pi r square h, correct? So here I can find, okay, already volume is given, that is 1617 pi 2x whole square 3x. So for the value of x cube will be 3/2. Now after simplifying, I'm getting it here 49/7 8. That means x equals to 7/2, which is 3.5. Okay, the value for x is 3.5. Therefore, curved surface area of the cylinder, the formula is 2 pi rh. Okay, the formula is 2 pi rh. So 2 pi r 2 multiplied by 3.5 h, that is 3 multiplied by 3.5. Now let's solve it. So it's 7/3. So both 7 got cancelled, will be given with 2557. 22 multiplied by 21. Let's do the calculation. 462 centimeter square. The answer is 462 centimeter square. Option C is the correct answer. That is the curved surface area of the cylinder. In question number 74, we are given with the difference between the outside and the inside surface area of a cylindrical pipe 14 centimeter, length of 14 centimeter long, that is 44 centimeter square. The pipe is made of 99 centimeter cube of metal. If R is the outer radius and smaller is the inner radius of the pipe, then what is the value of small r plus capital R equal to? So here R is outer radius and smaller is inner radius. Okay, now the difference between the outside and inside surface area. Okay, so what is curved surface area first of all? That is 2 pi RH. This is for inner curved surface area. Okay, so outer curved surface area will be 2 pi capital RH. Therefore, difference between this two is 2 pi capital R minus smaller h, and that is what result in 44. Okay, so according to the problem, I can write 2 pi R minus R h 44, and also h is 14 centimeter long. So the value for R minus R 2 14 7. So half, that means 0.5. Okay, now also the volume of the pipe, that is the formula is pi r square h. This is the volume for the pipe that is made up of a metal. So here 99 equals to 27 multiplied by r plus r minus r multiplied by h. We have used this formula, a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So here we know the value of r minus r, that is 0.5 from 1. Okay, let's further do the calculation. R plus R will be 99.7. Okay, in H we can put the value of 14. Now, if I do the calculation, I'll be given 5 and 14, that is 2, 5, 5, 2, 9. So it is R plus R, 9 by 2, which is 4.5 centimeter. So here what is R plus R equal to? Option D is the correct answer, 4.5 centimeter. In question number 75, we are given with a metal solid cube of age 24 centimeter is melted and made into 3 small cubes. If the age of the 2 small cubes are 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter, what is the surface area of the third small cube? I can draw a picture of a small cube, and let's say the length of its edge a, okay, a centimeter. Okay, so when we melt the solid large cube, it will be recasted into 3 small cubes, correct? So the volume of the solid large cube is equal to the sum of the volume of these 3 small cubes. So here let the age of the third cube be a centimeter. Okay, what is the formula for finding volume? That is a cube centimeter cube. So according to the formula, I can write 24 whole cube, because that is the volume for the large cube, that is equal to the sum of all the volumes, 12 whole cube, 16 whole cube plus a whole cube. So here I can write a cube equals to 24 whole cube minus 12 whole cube minus 16 whole cube. After further calculation, from here I can take 4 cube common, right? So it will become 6 whole cube minus 3 whole cube minus 4 whole cube. So that will result in 216 minus 27 minus 16. So here, okay, it will be 64, not 16. 16 is 4 square. When we do square of 4, we get 16. 4 cube is 64. Okay, so that would result in 4 cube 125 a cube. Now the value for a will be 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20 centimeter. Now what is the formula for the surface area of the third of a cube? So surface area of a cube, if a is the length of its edge, that is 6a square, so therefore that is 620 whole square. So it would be 2400 centimeter square. So here option C is the correct answer. In question number 76, we are given with a conical vessel whose internal radius is 5 centimeter and height 24 centimeter is full of water. The water is emptied into a cylindrical vessel with internal radius 10 centimeter. What is the height to which the water rise. So here is the conical vessel. Its radius is 5 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. And here the internal radius of the cylindrical vessel, that is 10 centimeter. And we don't know about which level, up to which level the water rise, that we are required to find here. So if the water that was there in conical vessel that emptied into cylindrical vessel, so that means here we are talking about the volume of the conical vessel. So we can say that a volume of conical vessel and cylindrical vessel should be equal. Their volume is equal. Now, what is the formula for finding volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square each, and the formula for finding volume of cylinder, that is pi r square each. Here we are given with the value for r for cone. So according to the problem, we can write 1/3 pi 5 whole square 24 equals to pi 10 whole square. Let's say the height up to which the water rises, that is h. Now let's solve the equation. We will get the value for h 310. Okay, so here we can see 5 2 2. So h equals to 2 centimeter. Hence the value for h, the height to which the water rises, that is 2 centimeter. Option B is the correct answer. In question number 77, we are given with a metal solid cube of side 22 centimeter is melted to make a cone of height 21 centimeter. What is the radius of the base of the cone? So since we have done here, we can see that cube is melted to make a cone. So the volume of cube and the volume of cone, they are equal. Volume of cube, after melting the cube, we got the cone. So volume of cube and volume of cone, they are equal. Okay. So here, let us assume that let radius be r centimeter for the cone. Now, what is the volume for the cube? That is a cube if a is each side, and here the formula for finding the volume, if r is the radius, h is the height, that is 1/3 pi r square h. So I will make them equal. 22 whole cube according to the problem, 1/3 pi r square, h is given 21 centimeter. So let's solve the value for r square. So it will be 3 7 21. Okay, so I can see 21, what cancel. So r is 22 centimeter. Okay, so the radius of the cone is 22 centimeter. Here option C is the correct answer. In question number 78, we are given with a cone of height 24 centimeter has a curved surface area 550 centimeter square. What is the ratio of its radius to slant height? I have already drawn a cone. Here L is the slant height. This is the slant height. 8 is the height and r is the radius. What are the relationship between these three components? So L equals to root under r square plus 8 square. Okay. Now the formula for curved surface area of a cone, that is pi RL. Okay, so here we are given the pi RL 550 centimeter square. So therefore pi RL 550 centimeter square, and from here I can find RL, product of R and L, that is 22,725. So RL I can see 175. Let's name it equation number 1. Probably it will be helpful for us going forward. Okay, also it's given here height is 24 centimeter. Correct? Height is 24 centimeter. So from this formula, I can write L equals to R square plus 24 square. Okay, so further I can find L square minus R square, that is 24 square, or I can write L square minus R square, that is 576. Let's name it equation number 2. Now I can divide equation 2 by equation 1. Let's divide equation 2 by equation 1. So it will be L square minus R square by LR, that is 576 by 175. So if I further continue with the calculation, I will get L by R minus R by L, which is 576 by 175. Now we are asked to find the ratio of its radius to slant height. That means R is 12, correct? So let R by L x. Therefore, L by R will be 1 by x. So let's put this value here. 1 by x minus x, 576 by 175. So I will get 1 minus x square by x, that's 76 by 175. It will be 175x square plus 576x minus 175x. Further, if you factorize this, you will get two factors such as 25x minus 7 multiplied by 7x plus 25. Okay. So here we can write this equals to 0. So from here I can say 7 by 25 or x equals to minus 25 by 7. We won't take negative, ratio can't be negative. So we'll take the positive value here. Therefore, R by L, that is 7 by 25. So we can say R is to L, 7 is to 25. This is the answer here, 7 is to 25 or 7 by 25. Option C is the correct answer here. Please have a look to the entire solution again. In question number 79, we are given with a rectangular paper is 44 centimeter long and 22 centimeter wide. Let X be the volume of the largest cylinder formed by rolling the paper along its length, and Y be the volume of the largest cylinder formed by rolling the paper along its width. What is the ratio of X is to Y? So here, this is the rectangular paper. First, I have rolled it along its length. So this, the perimeter of the base of the circular shape, that will be equals to 44 centimeter, and its height is 22 centimeter. So when the volume of the largest cylinder, when it is rolled along its length, so the perimeter of the base, that circular shape, become 44. So we can write 2 pi r equals to 44, where r is the radius. So the value of r is 22.7, that is 7 centimeter, the radius r. So the volume of this cylinder, okay, so that we have denoted here x, that is x equals to pi r square each. Formula is pi r square each, so pi r square is 22. Now let's keep it. When we rolled it along its width, right? When we rolled it along its width, that time the volume of the cylinder, so this case the volume of the largest cylinder when it is rolled along its width, that time, as you can see, the length become its height and the perimeter of the circular base, that is 22 centimeter. So 2 pi r equals to 22 centimeter. So here r, the radius will be, as we can say, 7 by 2 centimeter. So r is 3.5 centimeter. So the volume will be, that is denoted by y. So that will be y equals to pi r square h. Now h is 44 centimeter. So the ratio of x to y. So ratio of x to y, that is pi 7 whole square 22 and pi whole square 44. Both pi will cancel 2. So 7, 7, 500, 2, 5, 5, 4. That is 2 here. So I can see, yes, I can only see 2 by 1. It is written here. Therefore, x is to y, that is 2 is to 1. Here, option B is the correct answer, 2 is to 1. In question number 80, we are given with a hollow spherical shell is made up of a metal of density 3 gram per centimeter cube. If the internal and the external radius are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively, then what is the mass of the cell? So since here we are talking about hollow spherical cell, so the volume of hollow spherical cell, the volume will be 4/3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube, where capital R is outer radius and smaller r is inner radius. So now let's put all those values. Also, one more thing, the relationship between mass, density, and volume, that is mass is the product of volume and density. So first let's find the volume for the spherical shell. Here it's given the internal radius, 5 centimeter and external radius 6 centimeter. So volume of the sphere 4/3 pi 6 cube minus 5 cube. That will result in, we can take pi as 22 by 7. So it is 216 minus 125. It would result in 1144 by 3 centimeter cube. Okay, next, so let's put here, we are given that density 3 gram per centimeter cube. So density 3 gram per centimeter cube, therefore mass 1144 by 3 multiplied by 3, that is gram. So here the value is 1144 gram. This is the correct answer here. So option A is the correct answer. In question number 81, we are given with, consider the following inequalities. Sine 1 degree less than cos 57 degree and cos 60 degree greater than sine 57 degree. We will check both the statements separately. So we know from complementary angles, cos theta is equals to sine 90 degree minus theta. Okay, we know that. Also sine theta equals to cos 90 degree minus theta, correct? Now let's write cos 57 degree. So here cos 57 can be written as 90 minus 33 degree. So cos 90 degree minus theta will give us sine theta. Here theta is 33 degree. So that means sine 33 degree. So cos 57 degree equals to sine 33 degree. Obviously, that is greater than sine 1 degree. So therefore, cos 57 degree is greater than sine 1 degree. Okay, so first statement is true. First statement is true. Next, cos 60 degree. Further, I can write it as cos 90 degree minus 30 degree. That is sine 30 degree. Obviously, sine 30 degree is less than sine 57 degree. So we can say cos 60 degree is less than sine 57 degree. But here we are given it's greater than. So second statement is not correct. Is not correct. So here I can state that only one only correct. So option A is the correct answer. In question number 82, we are given with, if P equals to sec theta minus tan theta and Q equals to cosec, it will be cosec. Let me make the correction. Cosec theta plus cot theta, then what is P plus Q multiplied by P minus 1 equal to? So first let me write all the given data. P equals to sec theta minus tan theta. So I can simplify them into sine and cos. So it will be sec theta is 1 by cos theta and sine theta is, tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So it will result in 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. This is the value of P. Let's name it 1. Next, Q equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. So here cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, that is 1 by sine theta, plus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sine theta. So I can write sine theta 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. Let's name it equation number 2. Now write the required expression P plus Q, P minus 1. So from here I can write P minus Q plus PQ. Let's put all those values of P and Q. 1 minus sine theta by cos theta plus, I have to put here minus 1 plus cos theta by sine theta 1 minus sine theta by cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. This is from 1 and 2. Okay. So let me solve it further. After doing the LCM, I can write cos theta sine theta. So it is sine theta minus sine square theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta. Plus both I can write, it would give us, if we multiply them, sine theta cos theta 1 plus cos theta minus sine theta cos theta. Now sine theta minus cos theta, I can take minus common from both sine square theta and cos square theta by cos theta sine theta plus, now here I can write as it is. There is nothing to do in calculation. Let's see if we can do any changes going forward. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta would result in 1, correct? So sine theta minus cos theta minus 1 by cos theta sine theta plus 1 plus cos theta minus sine theta minus sine theta cos theta by sine theta cos theta. Here we can see we are having same expression in the denominator. So we can do the LCM. We will get sine theta and cos theta. So here we will have sine theta minus cos theta minus 1 plus 1 plus cos theta minus sine theta minus sine theta cos theta. So both the sine theta will cancel, cos theta will cancel, 1 will cancel. We will left with only minus sine theta cos theta by sine theta cos theta. So it would result in minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. Let's check the given options. Yes, option A is the correct answer here. In question number 83, we are given cosec theta minus cot theta equals to m, then what is the value of cosec theta? We know from the standard identities, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So there is a formula, that is a square minus b square will give us a plus b and e minus b. With help of that formula, further I can write cosec theta plus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1. Here we are already given with cosec theta minus cot theta value. So cosec theta plus cot theta equals to 1 by m, since cosec theta minus cot theta equals to m. Let's name it 1 cosec theta minus cot theta equals to m. Let's name it 2. So from 1 and 2, if we subtract this 2, we will get cosec. Okay, if we add 1 plus 2, then also cosec theta plus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta equals to m. So 2 cosec theta, that is 1 by m plus m. So here the value of cosec theta, that is half of m plus 1 by m. Okay, further I can write it as m by 2 plus 1 by 2m. It will match with the option uh, exactly well. So yes, m by 2 plus 1 by 2m. Option D is the correct answer here. In question number 84, we are given with let ABC be a triangle right angled at C. Then what is tan A plus tan B equal to? I have already drawn a right angle triangle where angle C is right angle, and I have already named all the sides as well. So since this is a right angle triangle, it will satisfy Pythagoras theorem, right? But before that, from this triangle, we can write tan, if we consider angle A, so tan A, if we consider angle A, then AC will be our base and BC will be our perpendicular. So tan A will be BC by AC, that is A by B. Now, if we consider tan B, I mean, if we consider B angle, then BC will be our base and AC will be perpendicular. So at that time, we can write AC by BC. So it is B by A. Further, tan A plus tan B gives us AB A square plus B square by AB. Now using Pythagoras, further I can write E square plus B square equals to C square. Let's name it 1. Let's name it 2. So from 2, 1 and 2, we get tan A plus tan B, that is C square by AB, because A plus B square equals to C square. Okay, so here C square by AB, option D is the correct answer. In question number 85, we are given with let cos alpha plus cos beta equals to 2 and sin alpha plus sin beta equals to 0. Then, okay, also it's given that where alpha lies between 0 and 90 degree, beta lies between 0 and 90 degree as well. What is the value of cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta? So let me write the given expression first. Cos alpha plus cos beta 2. If we squaring both the sides, I got cos alpha plus cos beta whole square and 2 whole square. So that will give me cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta equals to 4. So from here I can write, okay, let's name it equation number 1. No need to simplify it further. Now let's write sine alpha plus sine beta equals to 0. So sine alpha plus sine beta equals to 0. If we squaring both the side, we can write sine alpha beta whole square equals to 0, or sine square alpha plus 2 sine alpha sine beta sine square beta equals to 0. Let's name it equation number 2. Now add 1 and 2. We will get here, so cos square alpha plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus cos square beta plus sine square alpha plus 2 sine alpha sine beta plus sine square beta equals to 0, and also we will get here 0 plus 4. So sine square alpha and cos square alpha will give us value 1. Cos square beta sine square beta will give us value 1, because we know some standard identities, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta, that results in 1. We have used that here. Okay, now let's take 2 common. I can write cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta equals to 4. So as we can see, it makes here 2. Okay, so there is a formula, cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta equals to cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta, here 4 minus 2, 2. So I can say it becomes cos alpha minus beta 1. Now we know cos theta equals to x, then theta can be written as cos inverse x using inverse trigonometry concept. So further we can write here alpha minus beta, that is cos inverse 1. Since cos 0 degree value 1, so also cos inverse 1 will give us value 0, that is alpha minus beta 0. So we can say alpha equals to beta. Therefore, the given required expression cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta. So cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta will result in 0, because both will become cos 2 alpha or both will become cos 2 beta, that will result in 0. That is the entire solution. Here option E is the correct answer. In question number 86, we are given with if sec theta plus cos theta equals to 5 by 2, where 0 less than equals to theta less than equals to 90 degree, then what is the value of sine square theta? So we are given that is sec theta plus cos theta equals to 5 by 2. Further, if we simplify, since sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, we can write it here as 1 by cos theta plus cos theta equals to 5 by 2. So it would become cos theta 1 plus cos square theta 5 by 2. 2 plus 2 cos square theta 5 cos theta. We can factorize it. 2 cos square theta minus 5 cos theta plus 2 equals to 0. It would give us the factors 2 cos theta minus 1 and cos theta minus 2 equals to 0. So either 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0, we'll get cos theta as half, or cos theta minus 2 equals to 0, that would result in cos theta as 2. But cos theta, it is not possible, because we know the maximum value of cos theta, that is 1. So cos theta equals to 2, this value is impossible. Now the relation between sine square theta and cos square theta, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta 1. So from here I can further write sine square theta 1 minus cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta. So let's put the value of cos, that is half whole square 1 minus 1 by 4. So it would result in 3 by 4. The value of sine square theta here 3 by 4. Option C is the correct answer. In question number 87, we are given with a trigonometric expression. We have to simplify it and find the value for this. So given here 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. So cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. And here let's do the LCM. It will be sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 and cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. So if we compare these two, we can consider sin theta plus cos theta as A and 1 as B. So it's like A minus B and A plus B in this form. It would result in A square minus B square. So we'll write it the same way: cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 whole square by sin theta cos theta. So it becomes sin squared theta plus cos squared theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Both sin square theta plus cos square theta will give us value 1. So this would got cancel. So it become 2 cos theta sin theta by sin theta cos theta. So we left with only 2. The value of the given expression is 2, that is option C. In question number 88, we are given with if 6 plus 8 tan theta equals to sec theta and 8 minus 6 tan theta equals to k sec theta, then what is the value of k square? So given that 6 plus 8 tan theta equals to sec theta, 8 minus 6 tan theta equals to k sec theta, what we can do, we can add, we can square both sides and add them. Squaring both the side, squaring both and add them. So we will get 6 plus 8 tan theta whole square plus 8 minus 6 tan theta whole square. It will be here 6 square theta plus k square 6 square theta. Now let's expand this. (96) tan theta plus 64, 96 tan theta plus 36 tan square theta 1 plus k square 6 square theta. So further we can write both 96 tan theta will got cancelled here. 100 plus 100 tan square theta 1 plus k square 6 square theta, or after taking common 100 it would become 1 plus tan square theta. We know from the standard identities that 1 plus tan square theta will give us 6 square theta. One plus k square 6 square theta, both 6 square theta will got cancel here, and 100 equals to 1 plus k square. So k square becomes 99. Here we are asked to find the value for k square, that is 99. Option D is the correct answer here. In question number 89, we are given with a pole on the ground leans at 60 degree with the vertical. At a point x meter away from the base of the pole on the ground, two halves of the pole subtend the same angle. If the pole and the point are in the same vertical plane, then what is the length of the pole? So here I have already drawn the figure. We can see the pole is AB. So let the pole AB makes an angle 60 degree with the vertical. Therefore, we can say A, B, E, this is 60 degree. Okay. And here also we can see AD equals to DB and BC x meter. Okay. BC x meter. Now, since AD equals to BD, so we can say angle ACD equals to angle BCD. Let's say they are theta. Okay. So since AD equals to DB, we can also say D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. Now let's consider these two triangle ADC and BCD. These two triangle are congruent because this is the common arm CD. These two angle are equal. Also, these two sides are equal. So SSA criteria, these two are congruent. Correct. So are congruent triangles. Let me write the points here. CD common. Also angle ACD equals to angle BCD and AD equals to BD. These two criteria, we can say these two triangular congruent triangles. Therefore, angle ADC equals to angle BDC. CPCT corresponding part of congruent triangle, and also we can see they are linear pair angles as well. So the sum of linear pair angles we know 180 degree. Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Now since these two are equal, so I can further write 2 BDC 180 degree, that is BDC 90 degree. So these two triangular right angle triangle as well. These two triangular right angle triangle as well. Now in triangle BDC, where BCD, this is angle theta I have taken, I can easily find the value of this, which is from angle sum property. We can write 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 30 degree. So it would result in 60 degree. So angle BCD, this become 60 degree. This theta becomes 60 degree. Okay. So here now we can write sine 60 degree. If you consider this one, BD by X. So sine 60 degree give us the value √3/2 X BD. We are required to find the length of the pole, that is AB. So therefore AB equals to twice of BD, 3/2 X. Both two got cancelled. Here we got the value AB, that is √3 X meter. This is the length of the pole. Therefore, length of the pole is √3x meter. Here option B is the correct answer. In question number 90, we are given with a vertical tower standing at the corner of a rectangular field, subtends angle of 60 degree and 45 degree at the two nearer corners. If theta is the angle that the tower subtends at the furthest corner, then what is the value of cot theta? So I have already drawn a figure. I have used different ink so that it is very easier for students to understand. Look at here. Here BC, let's name it E, BCED, this is the rectangular field. Okay, here AB is the height of the pole. So let AB is the height of pole and BCED is a rectangular field. Rectangular field. Here, the question said that at the corner of the rectangular field, subtend angle 60 degree and 45 degree. Okay, so here at the corner D, it subtend angle 60 degree, and at the corner C, it subtend angle 45 degree. And the furthest corner is the corner E. So from triangle ABD, we can write here cot 60 degree, that is BD by AB. We know the value of cot 60 degree, that is 1 by √3. So further we can write BD by AB from here. Let's keep it like this. And also cot 45 degree, from the triangle ABC we can write cot 45 degree becomes BC by AB. Since the value of cot 45 degree, that is 1, so BC by AB, whereas AB equals to BC. AB equals to BC. Since BCED is a rectangle, correct? BC is a rectangle and BE is the diagonal. BCED is a rectangle and BE diagonal. So we know the opposite sides of a rectangle, that is equal. So BD equals to CE and BC equals to ED. Okay. Also, we can find the value for the diagonal using Pythagoras theorem, that is BE square equals to BD square plus DE square. And DE since BD square and okay, let's take BC here, or DE can be written as BC. So it can be written as BD square plus BC square as well. BC square. Okay, next, then cot theta. Let's consider cot theta, the triangle ABE. So cot theta as BE by AB. Okay, so from BE I can write root under BD square plus BC square by AB. So here cot theta equals to, now BD square, the relation of BD square, from here there is a relation of BD and AB, that is BD equals to AB by √3. So further I can write root under BD square, that is AB square by 3 plus BC and AB both are equal. So AB square by AB. So if we calculate this, we'll get the value 2 by root 3. Both AB will got cancelled. So here the value of cot theta, it becomes 2 by root 3. Now let's check the answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Yes, 2 by root 3. In question number 91, we are given with a cloth of 3-meter width is used to make a conical tent 12-meter in diameter with a slant height of 7-meter. What is the length of the cloth? So basically, when we are using a cloth to make a conical tent, that means we are covering, or we are covering the we are taking the curved surface area for both the case. The area of the cloth will be equal to the curved surface area of the tent, right? So here I have already drawn a rectangle, that is the width is 3-meter and we have to find the length, whereas the conical tent, so the tent is of conical shape. Here the slant height, that is 7-meter, and diameter 12-meter. So the radius of the base of the conical tent, that is 12 by 2, 6-meter. The formula for curved surface area of the conical tent, okay, let me write it first, that surface area of the cloth and the tent remains same. Okay, so the area of the cloth, that is L multiplied by 3 equals to the curved surface area. What is the formula for curved surface area for tent? That is pi r L. Here we will place all those values of r and L. Okay, so let me write it here L1, because we cannot use same variable in one sum. So here L1 multiplied by 3, 22 by 7, R6, and L, that is 7-meter. The length is 44-meter. Length of the cloth, that is 44-meter. Here option C is the correct answer. In question number 92, we are given that a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped into a cylindrical vessel partly filled with water. The radius of the vessel is 6 centimeter. If the sphere is completely merged in water, then how much will the surface level of water be raised? I have already drawn the figure. This, if I zoom the sphere, it will become like, it will be shown like this, and this is the cylinder. So here I have already tried to show it here with different color of inks. First of all, there was water till this level. When I dropped the sphere, the water level rised up to here, and let's say h centimeter the water level has been raised. So here we can say that diameter of the sphere, it's given, that is diameter of sphere 6 centimeter. So radius of sphere 6 by 2, 3 centimeters. So what will be the volume of the sphere? Volume of sphere, the formula is 4/3 pi r cube. Here r is 3 whole cube. Let keep it like this way. And diameter of the cylinder, uh, okay, diameter of the cylinder, that is 12, because it is given the radius of the vessel is 6 centimeter. So radius of vessel 6 centimeter. Now the volume of vessel, the formula is, since it is cylindrical, pi r square h. Now according to the formula, we know the volume of sphere, that is equals with the volume increased in the vessel, because since Archimedes law, we know the volume of the sphere will be equal to the volume of the water, that is, so further I can write 4/3 pi 3 whole cube equals to pi r square h. Let h be the height of the water level that has been raised after dropping of the sphere. So it becomes pi cancel, 3 whole square 6 equals to h. 2 2 and 4. So h equals to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter level of water rise in the cylindrical vessel. 1 centimeter level of water rise in the cylindrical vessel. The value for h is 1. Here option B is the correct answer. In question number 93, we are given with a sector is cut from a circle of radius 21 centimeter. If the length of the arc of the sector 55 centimeter, what is the area of the sector? If I draw a circle, what is sector? If I draw a circle, this is the center of the circle. Now, these two are radius. So the region that bounded by two radius and the arc, let's say AB, this region is called sector. A region that is bounded by two radius and a arc, that portion is called sector. So we know the radius here 21 centimeter. And okay, so first of all, there are two formula related to sector. What are those? Let's say let L length of arc, theta sector angle, angle at the center, that is called sector angle, and r is the radius. What are those formula? Those formulas are L equals to theta by 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi r, and also A for area. Okay, A for area of sector. So the area of that sector will be theta by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. Here we are given that the length of the arc is 55. So if we put the length here and try to find the sector angle, we will get 2 pi r here. So 5 2 7 3 0 60 230. That means theta 150 degrees. So we got the value for theta. Therefore, area of sector 150 by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. We can easily find the value 312 3 4 5 11. So the value will be 577.5 centimeter square. So 577.5 centimeter square. Option A is the correct answer here. In question number 94, we are given with a where is in the form of a circle of radius 70 centimeter. If it is bent in the form of a rhombus, then what is its side length? So let's say this is the where. When we are making a circle from it, that means the perimeter, the circumference of the circle will be equal to the length of the where. Okay, and also with that same where, when we are forming a rhombus, that means the perimeter of the rhombus is equal to the length of the where. So here length of the where equals to the circumference of the circle, also the perimeter of the rhombus. So we can say that means circumference of the circle and perimeter of the rhombus, they are also same. So perimeter of the rhombus equals to circumference of circle. So if I say the length of one side, that is a centimeter, so we can write the perimeter of the rhombus as 4a, and here we are given that the circle has radius 70 centimeter, so its circumference formula 2 pi r, so it will be 222 by 7 and 70, 10, 11, the value of a 110 centimeter. The length of the rhombus, that is 110 centimeter. Option D is the correct answer. In question number 95, we are given with if the perimeter of a semicircular park is 360 meter, then what is its area? So we know if let's say the radius of the circle is r, that means the perimeter of semicircle, that will be half of the perimeter of the circle, that portion is this portion, pi r plus perimeter. So we will also consider the diameter also here, that is 2r unit. So this is the formula for finding perimeter of a semicircle or circumference of the semicircle. And here we are given with the perimeter, that is 360 meter. What is its area? So according to the problem, we can write 360 equals to, after taking common r, 2 by 7, or r equals to 70 meter. From here we are getting r as 70, 36 by 7, so that is 70 meter. Therefore area of the semicircular park, that the formula will be pi r square by 2. Area of the circle, half of area of the circular park, that is the area of the semicircular park. So here 22 by 7, half 70, 11, 77, 7,700 meter square. Area of the park is 7,700 meter square. Option B is the correct answer. In question number 96, we are given with in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. The diagonal AC and BD intersect at P if AP is to PC equals to 4 is to 4x by 4x minus 4 and BP is to PD equals to 2x minus 1 is to 2x plus 4. Then what is the value of x? We know I have already drawn the trapezium ABCD. Okay, so here if we consider these two triangle ABP and triangle PDC, we'll get to see angle APB equals to angle DPC, that is vertically opposite, and since here AB parallel to DC, so we can say angle ABP equals to PDC, correspond alternate angles. Alternate angles. So therefore angle ABP similar with angle PDC by AA criteria. So we can say the corresponding sides, ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So that is AP by PC and BP by PD. So here we are given with the ratio of them, and the ratios are equal. Okay, so we can solve it. Therefore 4 by 4x minus 4 equals to 2x minus 1, 2x plus 4. Now let's further solve it. After doing the cross multiplication, we will get 16, 8x square minus 4x minus 8x plus 4. So it will result in 8x square minus 16x minus 4 minus 12 equals to 0. If we take common 4, it will be 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. We can easily factorize this to 6x plus x minus 3 it will result in x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So either x minus 3 equals to 0, from here I can write x equals to 3, or x equals to minus half. So this is not possible, the value for x in negative, so we'll take x equals to 3. Here option B is the correct answer. In question number 97, we are given with if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, the perimeters of these two triangles are 40 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively. What is the ratio of BC plus CA to EF plus FD? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So we can write all the ratio for the corresponding sides are equal. That is AB by DE, BC by EF, and CA by FD. Now we are required to find the value for BC plus CA by EF plus FD. Okay, so here by addendo, we can further write AB plus BC plus CA by DE plus EF plus FD by addendo. Okay, by addendo. This is the perimeter of the triangle ABC, that is 40. The perimeter of the triangle DEF, that is 30. So it is result in 4 by 3. So here also we can write all the ratios are equal to 4 by 3. So let's write here. So from the first ratio, further we can write BC and EF. The ratio of BCF equals to 4 by 3. So therefore, let's say BC equals to 4A and EF equals to 3A, where A is the ratio constant. A is the ratio constant. And further, CA by FD equals to 4 by 3. Again, all the ratios are equal to 4 by 3, correct? So CA equals to, let's say, 4B and FD equals to 3B, where B is the ratio constant. Now let's put all those values here. 4a plus 4b and 3a plus 3b. After taking 4 common, 4 multiplied by a plus b, 3 common, 3 multiplied by a plus b. Both a plus b got cancelled. The ratio is 4 by 3. So the ratio of BC plus CA with EF plus FD will be 4 by 3. 4 is to 3. The ratio is 4 is to 3. Option B is the correct answer here. In question number 98, it states that two isosceles triangles have equal vertical angles and their areas are in the ratio 4.84 is to 5.29. It is actually written as 5.29. What is the ratio of their corresponding heights? So well, let me first discuss few concepts. What are the properties of similar triangles, of being two triangles being similar? There are three such properties, that is angle criteria, side angle side criteria, and side criteria. Okay, so also if we know, if two triangles if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Okay, how does it work? Let me draw a circle A, B, C, where another circle is P, Q, R. If these two are similar, so we can write ABC similar with triangle PQR. That means the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is equal. Correct? So here further we can write the ratio of their areas is equal to the square of the ratio of any corresponding side. So I can express it at AB by PQ whole square as well. Okay, so now in this question we are given with two triangles. Let's say let triangle ABC and triangle, so here let's say triangle ABC and triangle DEF are isosceles triangle. That's what we are given, two isosceles triangle. That means they have two equal sides. So the ratio of those equal sides, obviously 1. DE by EF, the ratio of this equal sides are 1. So since we can see the ratio of two sides 1, so further I can express it, both are same. So next AB by DE, let's do the cross exchange. It will become BC by EF. So we can see ratio of two corresponding sides, two ratios of corresponding sides are equal. Okay, also we know that angle A equals to angle C, because that is given, have equal vertical angles, angle A equals to angle C. So therefore triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF, that is square of the ratio of two corresponding sides. Okay, correct. So that can be their height also. So height of triangle ABC and height of triangle DEF, the square of their heights, that could be happen. Now the ratio is given 4.84 and 5.29. So let's say h1 h2 whole square. So here h1 h2 will be 484 529, that would result in 22/23. So ratio of their corresponding heights, that is 22:23. So here let me check the answers. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Ratio is 22:23. In question number 99, we are given with triangle ABC is a triangle right angled at A and AD is the perpendicular to BC. If BD equals to 8 centimeter and CD equals to 12.5 centimeter, then what is AD equal to? Okay, so here we are given with a right angle triangle. We know we can use Pythagoras theorem. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we can write BC square equals to AC square plus AB square, correct? So here also, according to the formula of the right angle formula of the area of the right angle triangle, we can write half multiplied by AD multiplication by BC. When I'm considering AD, the height, that time I have to take the base as BC. If I consider the height AC, I will write the base AB. Both will give me the value for the area of this triangle. So they're equal. Now let's say half AD is H. Let us assume. So I can write both the half got cancelled. H multiplied by BC, that is 20.5 AC. Okay, so AC I can write as 8 square plus 12.5 whole square multiplied by 8 square plus 64. So H 20 multiplied by 20.5, it will be 8 square plus 156.25 and also 8 square plus 64. So that means if I square both the side, it will become 420.25 8 square 8 square plus 64, squaring both the side. Now let's drop the brackets. H to the power 4 to 20.258 square plus 10,000, and I will get h to the power 4 minus 208 square plus 10,000. So here I will get 8 square minus 100 whole square equals to 0. So 8 square minus 100 equals to 0. H square 100 and h equals to 10 centimeter. So the height of AD, the length of AD equal to 10 centimeter. Option T is the correct answer. In question number 100, we are given with the surface area of a cube is equal to that of a sphere. If x is the volume of the cube and y is the volume of the sphere, then what is x square is to y square equal to? We can assume the side of a cube be S. Let the side of the cube is S and radius, here we can take its unit, and radius of the cube is R unit. So they said the surface area, both of the surface area of the cube and the sphere is equal. The surface area of the cube is 6a square equals to surface area of the, okay, it will be sphere. Sphere is 4 pi r square. So from this two, I can write the ratio of a square and r square will be 4 pi by 6. Now, if x is the volume of the cube and y is the volume of the sphere, if x is the volume of cube and y is the volume of sphere, so I can write x by y, that is a's cube by 4/3 pi r cube, correct? So 3a's cube 4 pi r cube, let's square it both the side. I will get 9 is to the power 6, 16 pi square r to the power 6. So I can write it as 9 by 16 pi square is square by r square whole cube. That will also give us s to the power 6 and r to the power 6. So let's put the value. We are already given with the value of e square by r square from 1. So that is 4 pi 6 whole cube from 1 pi square and 16 4 pi cube by 6. So both the 16 will got cancelled. 3 2 3 3 is a 9, 2 1 pi is there. So I can write, okay, also 6 is there, 3 2 2 2. So pi by 6 x square by y square. Therefore, the ratio is pi is to 6. X square is to y square equal to pi is to 6. Option A is the correct answer.